In this video, let me show you how to fix Zillow app map not loading error. If you're having issues loading the map inside of the Zillow platform, let me show you a couple common solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is try to clear out the app cache and data of the Zillow app. So you can simply tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, you can scroll down, head over to storage, tap on the clear cache option, as well as tap on the clear data option. Now this will log you out of your Zillow account, so make sure you re-log in and try to see if your issue is solved. If the issue is still not solved, then what you can then try out is try to look for new updates available. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, search for Zillow, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. Now even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it, then that likely means the Zillow does not have permission for location. So what you can do again is head back to the same settings page, head over to permissions, and make sure that the location permission is allowed for this particular application. Also make sure that the location is enabled on your device as well, so that the Zillow application can have access to your location. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Zillow app map not loading error. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.